You've probably seen this video, or this one, or maybe any of these, videos racking up millions, even hundreds of millions of views. I didn't just watch them, I reverse engineered the biggest viral clips and cracked the code to their secret formula. And in this video, I'm giving you the exact, simple to follow way to create unlimited viral videos just like them, using nothing but free AI tools. I'll also explain exactly why this formula makes these videos go viral so fast, so make sure you stay until the end. I'm gonna show you the whole process in just 5 simple steps. But before I reveal everything, let's check out the social media profiles of our target reference. As you can see here, this channel gained more than 70,000 subscribers on YouTube, more than 80,000 on TikTok, and almost 300,000 followers on Instagram. That's a total of almost 500,000 followers and subscribers, along with a staggering 600 million views across all 3 platforms. Now that you see how much potential this niche has, let's get into it right away. We'll be needing ideas, so go to one of the viral videos with a lot of views, watch it, and pick out 3 main moments. Right before the wild part, the main action, and then the messy part. Just pause the video and grab a screenshot of each moment because we'll be needing them later. Alright, next up is getting the blueprint. Go to ChatGPT and paste those 3 screenshots right in. Then you'll ask ChatGPT to analyze those pictures and give you some ideas for similar viral concepts. I'm going to paste this prompt into the prompt box and hit the submit button. All the prompts that I'll use will be provided in the comment section, all for your convenience. ChatGPT will look at your screenshots and give you a list of ideas and the prompts to make them. Try to adjust the prompts to your needs. I asked ChatGPT to change the situation concepts as well as the car type until I found a good idea for a viral video. Okay, so out of these ideas ChatGPT gave us, I think Lamborghini Aventador in a warehouse fire sounds pretty cool. Makes you wonder what's gonna happen. Alright, now we can make our image as the base of our video. I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this tutorial, but there are other popular image generators out there like Ideogram and Freepik. Feel free to use any tools you want to generate your base image. Before I begin generating images, let me change a few settings first. I'll choose the Phoenix 1.0 model, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the small dimension. I'll also turn off the prompt enhance option, although it won't make much difference, and leave the rest on their default settings. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for generating the image, paste it in the prompt box, and hit submit. It's my habit to generate a few more times so that I have more options to choose from. I'll just select the best one after all images are generated. Next step is animating videos to create our viral video. For this, I'll be using Monica AI. This is by far my best choice for animating videos because it has different models to choose from, such as Kling, Hailuo, Pixverse, Pika, and Runway, just to name a few. So here in the app dashboard, I'll drag the image that I chose from Leonardo into this area. I'll also choose the latest Kling model, which is Kling 1.6. Now going back to ChatGPT, I'll copy the prompt for generating video and paste in here. Different models have different settings to adjust, so play around the models and settings to get your desired output. Have you ever wondered how these videos go viral? It's super simple. When your short video makes people look twice and watch all the way to the end, the platform instantly pushes it to millions of viewers. Seriously, that's why you see 100 million views and creators making thousands of dollars from this. We're building that exact kind of video right now. By the way, don't worry about using up your credits on Monica AI. Just log out and create a new account, then you will have credits again to generate videos until you get the perfect result for a viral video. I said before in my last video that this step was optional, but honestly, it's worth doing now. I'm talking about upscaling the video. YouTube rewards videos that are high quality, so making videos sharper by upscaling is really important. To do this, just go to the CapCut web version and log into your account. Then go to Magic Tools, scroll down to see Video Upscaler and click it to open the tool. Just drag our video here and click the Upscale button. Wait for it to get processed, then hit the Export button. Now click the Download button to download the final video. Now here comes the secret sauce for virality. Look at this video without any sound. Boring, right? Now check this one with sound effects. I'm sure we both agree that the video with a good sound design is much better than without. So for sound effects, let's use another free tool, which is Pixabay. I get all of my sound effects from Pixabay, even background music for my other projects for free. But then again, you can always use your favorite websites or tools to download sound effects if you want. Now that we have the upscaled video and downloaded the sound effects needed, it's time to piece everything together and create our viral video. As usual, I'll be using CapCut, but this time it's the desktop version. I'll just drag my video into the media library, then drop it into the timeline. Next, I'll add the sound effects one by one, just to avoid any confusion. My timeline looks like this after adding and adjusting the sound effects. Now I'm ready to export the final video. I'll simply click the export button up here. I will change the file name with something easy to remember, choose 4K resolution, and hit export button one more time. And that's it. I now have my own viral video ready to upload across all social media platforms. You can check out the final video on the channel I created just for this project. That's all I've got for today, and I'll see you in the next video.